Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Sony WH-XB900N Bluetooth headphones. This headphone has some exciting features like noise cancelling, gesture control. It also has a mic for taking hands-free calls. This headphone supports aptX and aptX HD codecs. Let's flip the box over. Extra bass. This headphone has really deep bass and it connects to iPhone and Android, and that's about it. And let's get started. Alright, and this is the headphones. It has a nice foldable design. This is the user manual, and it has the headphone cable and USB charging cable, and has an access code for the Sony Music service. This is the carrying case. The headphone seems to be having a good build quality. It's fairly lightweight as well, and the ear cups have lots of padding. I'm going to rotate the ear cups here. So look at the headphone itself. There is the power button, the custom button, charging port, and the audio input. And this headphone supports adjusting the length to provide a more comfortable, enjoyable listening experience. Next, I will show you guys how the iOS app for these headphones works. This is the Sony Headphones Connect app running on iPhone 8. Here is the battery life indicator. Let's turn on adaptive sound control. I'm going to increase the sound cancelling to level 5. These are all the surround sound profiles that I can select. And these are all the equalizer profiles available to select from. So I'm going to adjust the equalizer settings here. I'm going to reduce the bass. Automatic off. I, by mistake, must have turned this thing off. It's good to turn it off after a certain time to save battery. This is Windows 10, and I'm going to show you guys that this headphone works even on Windows 10 on my computer. So it's here, and I'm going to connect it. And now it confirms that I can use this as a microphone and to listen to music. So I'm going to go to sound settings, and the sound output is on the headphones and the sound input is also from the headphones. Even the touch gestures work on Windows as well. So this is the Sony Headphones Connect app on an Android device. All the features that you get on the iOS app is also found on the Android app as well. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.